Hi friends, myself Panan Sherkhan Yusuf Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Kohinoor Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kultabad, District Aurangabad, State Maharashtra. Today I am discussing on the Bhopal disaster, which is also known as Bhopal gas tragedy, which was occurred in December 3, 1984. The one of the most dangerous night for the people in Bhopal. There was thousands of people was killed and lakhs of people were injured. So let us start the Bhopal disaster. Around 1 a.m. on Monday, the 3rd of December 1984, in the city of Bhopal, a poisonous vapor burst from the tall stacks of Union Carbide pesticide plant. There in Bhopal, there was a big plan for formation of carbaryl, which is used in the pesticide for killing the insecticide in agriculture. These vapors was highly toxic load of methyl isocyanate, and in which reaction there is isocyanate was intermediate from that reaction that prepare carbaryl, which is used for insecticide, which I said the 2000 people were died immediately and 3 lakhs were injured. That is you think that gas was very dangerous. The 7,000 animals were injured, of which about 1,000 were killed. Animal also killed. The affected area shows in the image the Union Carbide plant. The near about area was JP Nagar railway station, railway colony, bus station. The area were affected by lot of area were affected by methyl isocyanate leak. You show pictures. In first picture there is a plant. In two pictures there is a plant of methyl isocyanate Bhopal gas strategy. In third picture there is a affected children which caused by methyl isocyanate. In third picture there are people around running from the plant. The Bhopal gas tragedy. Why that Bhopal gas tragedy occur? Causes: the tank containing methyl isocyanate leaked. The major cause was the methyl isocyanate leaked in that factory. The methyl isocyanate is an extremely reactive chemical and is used in production of insecticide carbaryl. The scientific reason for the accident was that tanker enter the tank where about 40 cubic meters of methyl isocyanate was stored. When water and methyl isocyanate mix, an exothermic chemical reaction started and producing a lot of heat, and because of that of heat produced, as a result the safety wall of tank burst because of the increase in pressure. It is pressure that between 20 and 30 tons of methyl isocyanate were released during the hour that the leak took place. The gas leaked from a 30-meter high chimney, and this height was not enough to reduce the effect the discharge. The weather edge on the process. The high moisture content aerosol in the discharge when evaporating gave rise to heavy gas which rapidly sank to the ground. A weak wind which frequently changed direction, which in turn helped the gas to cover more area. The weak wind and the weak vertical turbulence cause slow dilution of gas and thus allow the poisonous gas to spread over considerable distance. The the possible reasons. One of the main reasons for the tragedy was found to be a result of combination of human factors and incorrectly designed safety system. A portion of safety equipment and plant had been non-operational for 4 months and the rest failed. The Madhya Pradesh state government had not mandated any safety standard. Union Carbide failed to implement its own safety rules. Lapses on the part of the government. The government was failed to implement their rules in the factory. The Bhopal plant experienced 6 accidents between 1981 and 1984, at least 3 of which involved methyl isocyanate or phosgene. In before the accident, before the disaster, in 4 year there was a 4 accident. There was a harm to people. Why did the people stay quiet? The main point was that why people was stay quiet, because of first the country needed pesticide to protect her agricultural production. Methyl isocyanate is used to produce pesticide that control insect, which would in turn help increase production of food as a part of India's green revolution. Initially, India imported the methyl isocyanate from the United States in an attempt to achieve industrial self-sufficiency. India invited Union Carbide to set up plant in the state of Madhya Pradesh to produce methyl isocyanate. Union Carbide American plant. There was a many accidents of similar nature in UCC's American's plants period before the Bhopal accident. He found that 28 major methanol leak had occurred in UCC's West Virginia plant during the 5 years preceding the Bhopal incident, the last one occurring only a 1 month before. Process chemistry. The reaction involved two reactant methyl isocyanate, and the reaction shows below show that the primary amine plus react with phosgene to produce methyl isocyanate, and which is done with 1 naphthol. 1 naphthol reacts with isocyanate, methyl isocyanate to yield carbaryl. This is the reaction was uh, uh, this is the reaction was used to prepare carbaryl in that Bhopal factory. The water washing theory. The some theories are the big used to washing the tank, and the media played a significant role in establishing the water washing theory as a plausible explanation. The direct entry theory, that two theories are used to, and this is the picture shows the tank, the estimation, the structure of the tank. Cost to water delivery will be added here. That wall 16 used to water delivery. The jumper and the water introduced. The image shows water was added here, leaked through relief system back to storage tank. Lapses on part of Union Carbide. Improper design of chimneys and the improper design and maintenance. The decision to neglect flare system. Lack of awareness of the potential. So that's some negative point, that basic green chemistry principle. These principles would have averted the disaster. The eliminate or reduce the production of hazardous chemical. So when we use the green chemistry, that was maybe disaster was not occur when their use will green chemistry. The alternate chemistry suggested solution. The alpha naphthalon carbonyl is the reaction shows here. The alternatively, 1 naphthol can be treated with excess phosgene to produce a 1-naphthyl chloroformate, which is the converted to carbaryl by reaction with methyl. And in this reaction, the carbaryl also known as Selwyn. Conclusion: the Bhopal gas tragedy could have been averted. There were lapses on part of the government and UCC. The actual reason of the tragedy is contrary to popular belief. An alternative way to produce carbaryl was suggested. Design of inherently safer process was required. Thank you so much.